We are out in the garage today. We are doing some Pinterest craft ideas for different spooky wedding things on a budget. So what we have are some antique stores, went in and found like for 50 cents a dollar, $2 a piece or something like that. Grabbed a couple candlestick holders, some old bottles. So we're going to go ahead and sand everything down, and then we have some flat black paint, just Rust-Oleum 2-time ultra cover paint plus primer. We're going to go ahead and give that 1 or 2 coats on everything and see how it goes. At the store, I just grabbed a multi-purpose, so this is actually 60 grit, so probably not going to need that on most projects, but noise. Piece of tape doesn't want to come off. Now I'm just spraying them, making sure that the little purchase stickers are off. I'm just going to spray them with some soap water. Toss in the spray bottle. I'm going to wipe them down. Probably need to put a towel down here. Spray a little bit on the inside. And I have these from the other day. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing there. And then all of the bottles. And then I'm also going to do some of these. I got these at the dollar store in various states, like when I lived in Florida. I found them, so, and I love owls. And I got them because I knew I wanted to like paint them a different color. So, and I finally found some cool spray paint that I liked and thought that they'd look cool with. So, we're going to put these over there. Let's see. bit. Less likely to mess stuff up. Good job. So I can have nice things. I might not quite have the space for that. I mean, obviously the terracotta clay just dries right up. So we'll put that back in our little box of stuff to spray paint. Put this other stuff here to dry. I don't know if you can see this, but see? So excited about these projects. And on that note, we're going to let these things dry, and then we're going to go ahead and get the first, wipe them down and get the first coat on. So now we're just taking a damp cloth and then re-wiping down with just regular water, not the water soap combo. And then we're going to put it in their box to dry. And then once it dries, it will be ready for the spray paint. And we can check it out. I also grabbed these from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to sand these down and decorate these. And then my nephew's room, for his first big boy room, he has some cactus things that he's into and dinosaurs. So I got these all at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and sand them and make those for him. All right, so here we go. We placed them down. We did one coat, let it dry, flipped everything, did another coat. We're letting it dry. I'll probably do a second coat on the bottles and then see how the second coat did on the planter pots and candlestick holders. See if it needs any more. And then I'll show you guys. I've just been doing it one line at a time. So just kind of like that to make sure that I get everything. And again, it's flat black. And it's the primer and the spray paint from Rust-Oleum. American Accents Ultra Cover. Double cover technology. Paint plus primer. Flat black. Wood, metal, and more. Fast drying. Indoor or outdoor. And I'd say we've used about 3/4 so far. This is another project I'm working on. All right, and that is that. Once this is dry, we'll go on with the next part.